This is our unboxing video for our Ledger Nano X. You can get $25 worth of crypto and a ledger at coursenvy.com/ledger. The Ledger Nano X is a crypto hardware wallet for storing your coins offline. You never want to leave your coins and tokens and cryptocurrency on exchanges because there's always a good chance that they can be stolen. So when you purchase crypto, you'll want to transfer it to your Ledger Nano X. So I'll be going through that setup after this unboxing video. Thanks for checking out Coursenvy. Please take 1 second to like, subscribe, and comment anything below. These 3 things are the key to getting your videos to rank higher in YouTube search results.